Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to use two useful bots which are very much useful. Today we are going to use two useful bots which are related to phone hacking and SMS. First one, phone hacking, in which there is no need of any Kali Linux terminals, no PC, just you need a Telegram bot. Let's get started with our first bot. First bot is phone hacking. Here you can see a multiple options that you can use all camera, location, video, and you can record their audio. All are in a single pack, in a single options. Let me start with location. So when you click on only location, we are getting a link. So the link is generated here. When you open the link, it will give you a notice that click the first link from the Google search hub to open link. So it will be redirected to the Chrome. When you tap on the first link, it will be showing a page where you can see like this. So when you go back to the where you can store all the four information, IP address and location, at a time you can store all the information for single click. We can use this also by generating a link by tagging on the single link. So this is how the phone hacking works without any Kali Linux and termix, just with a single bot. This bot will blow your mind. You can use any number from all over the world. You can see available countries like Japan, Taiwan, United States, China, Singapore, Indonesia, South Korea, even India also there. So if you want to use any country number, let's if you select Japan. So when you tap on the Japan, you can see all the Japan countries number, and if you want to use that number, tap on that number. So the number information showing here, messages more than 8. These are this many times the number has got messages, and you can use this number if you use this number and you want to see the OTP which is received to that number. We can see here by tapping the view messages, the messages which are received to that number in the bot will be showing here. That code you can see from this, and you can enter that and log into it. So these are the two bots which are most useful. If you want to learn courses which are related to the ethical hacking cybersecurity, ping us to the links which are given in the description. We'll text you and we'll provide you the courses. Thank you.